Tired of having 47 browser tabs open just to check one website? The Dodo WebView promises to turn any website into its own dedicated app experience. But does it actually deliver, or is this just another way to complicate something that already works fine? Dodo WebView takes any website and wraps it in a clean, distraction-free environment. No address bars, no random pop-ups, just your content in full screen mode with automatic screen rotation and minimal storage usage. I tested this with several websites and it does actually what it promises. The automatic rotation works even when your phone settings are low, which is surprisingly handy. The difference is noticeable. No URL bar clutter, no accidental tab switching. It's like having tunnel vision for your content. But here's the catch. You lose browser features you might need. No private browsing, no extensions, no bookmark access. If the website crashes in the WebView, you are stuck switching back to your regular browser. Real users are split. Tech people love the focused experience while others find it too limiting. Some report crashes with complex websites that work fine in regular browsers. It's perfect for sites you check constantly like Instagram, Twitter, or your favorite news site. But for anything complex, you'll need to switch back to your regular browser. So remember, most browsers already let you create website shortcuts. Dodo WebView's main advantage is the cleaner interface and that automatic rotation feature. So do you prefer focused single-site apps or multi-tab browsers? Show your workflow below and subscribe for more honest app reviews.